Right now, I'm sitting in the terrace of my apartment. My house faces right to the Air Force base, but then I came to the terrace because you have a proper view and you have like 360-degree view from here. So I wanted to capture some of the videos. 2 o'clock, that's the timing that they have given. So they had it in the morning at around 9:30, and it went on for like 2 hours, and now it is from 2 o'clock. I can never get over fighter jet and the way Surya Kiran displays their amazing stunts. It's amazing to see that. It's soon gonna start. Yeah.